This is a very fast 2-minute video that's going to walk you through one of the best deals in Palm Desert on a new home build. How'd you like to have a new home build with a very, very low interest rate attached to it and it's in impeccable condition? This is one of the models, so it's had a lot of the improvements done to it. But you should take a look at this, an example of what you could own with a very easy qualifying, very easy showing, seeing, and making decision process, and a seasoned real estate agent to represent you to make sure you get the best deal possible that fits your needs. This is a 4-bedroom, 2,300 square foot home. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you a little more details on all of those incentives. Let's go upstairs and take a look at the bedroom suites. You're going to see up here to the right, the laundry room, bedroom number 2, and this next room is the one where the kids are going to go when you want them out of your hair. Bedroom number 3, and a Jack and Jill bath joining 2 and 3 together. Big Jack and Jill. And then we're going to go take a look at the primary bedroom where you have your own little ensuite of space. Nice sized master bedroom. Excellent view out of that window. It doesn't show up well in the video. Really big bathroom for some private space. And look at the size of that closet. As we go in here, we're going to run back downstairs, take one last glimpse at the living room, dining room, kitchen, and then we're going to go up front and we're going to talk about incentives. As we go out here, what if the builder would give you a 30-year fixed rate of 3.75% on a 3-2-1 buy down? Now that gives you an average over the life of the loan of 6.25, but that's a lot better than starting off at about 7 and then going up from there. There's also possible incentives, depending on which model and where they're at in their building, for home improvements, for down payment assistance, for closing costs. This could be yours. If you want more information or if you'd like to preview the home, DM me. I'm happy to talk. My name's Eric.